Okay, hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing two sections again, and you should be using the notes page that I gave you in class because there's a bunch of graphs that you're going to need, and those are on the notes page. If you left yours in school or you don't know where it is, you can go to my Fusion page and print another one out. So we have section 1.2, and 1.6 and 2.6, and it has a lot to do with graphing. The first section is vocabulary. In our vocabulary, you want to draw a line. This line here in our graph is called the y-axis. The y-axis is our vertical number line. Goes like this, starts at 0, goes up, okay, and increases in value, and this decreases in value with negative numbers. Our horizontal line is called your x-axis, okay, and that's the horizontal number line. This entire graph we call a coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is formed by two intersecting number lines. So here's one number line that's horizontal, and the other one is vertical, and we call that a coordinate plane. Another piece of vocabulary, this point where the two intersect, that is called your origin. It is at the ordered pair 0, 0, where the two number lines intersect. So all of these words need to get put in that vocabulary section. If you cannot fit it, turn the paper over, write on the back, or put it in your notebook somewhere. Just keep your notes organized. All of this vocabulary should be there. Another vocabulary term you need to know in relation to graphing would be an ordered pair. And these are numbers used to locate any point on our coordinate plane. The first number will be our x-coordinate, so somewhere on our x number line, and the second number will be our y-coordinate. Okay, one more piece of vocabulary, and then we will move on to some problems. The next piece of vocabulary is a quadrant, and the quadrant are the four sections on the coordinate plane. Quad, for those of you who maybe ski or snowboard, a quad is like a lift that takes 4 people up. Quad is 4, so it's the 4 sections of the coordinate plane. And to name them, we use Roman numerals. These are Roman numerals. They look like capital I's, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, number 1, and they're going to make a C shape. 1 will be the one where there's 2, where positive coordinates will lie. Okay, 2, I grabbed 3, I'll grab 3. 3 goes down here. 2 is over here, and 4 is here. The ordered pairs in quadrant 1 will be a positive number and a positive number. The ordered pairs in quadrant 2 will be a negative x, but a positive y because they go up. Quadrant 3 will be a negative followed by a negative. And quadrant 4 will be a positive followed by a negative. Okay, so that should also help you to identify what quadrant it lies in.
Good morning, this is a test.
Okay,
Good morning.
next, part 1.
This is a test. 1, 2, 3.
We are identifying some points.
Testing 1, 2.
You just have to ignore that. Identifying points. All right, we need to identify these ordered pairs. Well, A, we know, is in quadrant 1. And then what you're going to do is count over 1, 2, 3, 4. You always list the x-coordinate first. 4, comma. We go up 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 4. B, 1, 2, 3, over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, down. To the right, 3, down, 4. C, we do not go left or right, so you need to think about that. That means it's at 0 for your x, but you go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places. Okay, D, to the left 2. Left 2 means negative 2.
This is a test.
Down 1.
Testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay, and E, to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Left 6 means negative 6. 1, 2, 3, up 3. Oop.
Good morning, this is a test prior to announcements.
Okay, part 2. Apparently I picked a very good time for videoing today that they're going to be testing our announcement system. Just ignore it, there's nothing I can do. Alright, part 2, graphing the points. Graph each point and name the quadrant that it lies in. Okay, so I'm going to do some of these with you. And you know you're going to love this for those of you who realize, look, M-A-T-H, math, is fun. Woo! Okay, I'm going to do some of these with you and then the rest you can finish on your own. So you're always going to start at the origin, 0, 0. Negative 1, that's your x-axis, negative 1, and then negative 5, down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put a dot right at that intersection, and then you label it an M. That is in quadrant 3, so put a 3. You're going to have to copy these down. I did not put them in your notes for you. A, start at the origin. 2 to the right, 2 on your x, negative 4 on your y, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Label it A. T, to the left 3, 1, 2, 3, up 2, 1, 2, put a dot, label it T. Okay, A was in quadrant 4. T is in quadrant 2. Okay, you're going to finish the rest of Math is Fun. All right, next. Part 3, graphing algebraic relationships. So now I'm going to start giving you some equations. They're going to have 2 variables, an x and a y, and you need to come up with ordered pairs that work. I will tell you there are tons of ordered pairs that work. We'll actually go over how many there are. You're going to make a table of possible values for x and y. Then you're going to graph the ordered pairs and describe what you see. So we want to think of 2 numbers, and when we subtract them, we get 4. Now, you could pick huge numbers. You could say 100 minus 96. The only problem with using that huge number is you want it to fit on your graph. And if you look at your graph, the biggest numbers are 10 and negative 10. So you want to pick numbers that are going to work on your graph. So, all right, even if we use the biggest number, if I choose 10 for my x, grab a pen, 10 minus 6 would give me 4. So then I'm going to plot that, 10, 6. X is 10, y is 6. I put a dot. You don't have to label it anything. We don't have letters to go with it. These are just going to be dots. Okay, let's pick another one. What if I pick 5? 5 minus something has to give me 4.
Okay, but you can hear me now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right,
1.
and the clarity is?
Let's do 2 more. If I have 6, 6 minus 2, okay?
What do you mean a little squeak?
And let's do, 3.
All right, so if I
3
walk the
minus
telephone
something, but
away
it
from
has
my
to
mouth,
get
it's
me up to
actually
4.
better than if I talk right into it.
This is a little annoying, sorry. It
There
would
you
be
go.
negative
I'm
1.
going to try the VoIP system. We're going to have to test all 23 classrooms, or 13 and 10, yeah, 23 classrooms.
Now what you're going to do is describe this. Looks like they're going to lie on a straight line. Okay? So I'm going to write, they lie on a straight line. Okay. Last piece.
Okay, David. Testing.
Part 4, relations. These are some vocabulary
Crystal
words.
clear.
Okay?
And
A
a line.
relation is just a set of ordered pairs. Okay, you just need to know what that is. Domain are the set of x coordinates. Those are just what the x's are. And range are the set of y coordinates. So put these vocabulary words down. Then what I'm doing is I'm giving you a relation. Here's a bunch of ordered pairs. I want you to put those in a table. Then I want you to graph them. And then I want you to tell me the domain and range. Okay, so let's take them and put them in a table. X is 1, y is 4. I just got that from there. Next one is 2, 2. X is 2, y is 2. 3, 0. X is 3, y is 0. 0, 2. X is 0, y is 2. Plot your ordered pairs. 1, 4. We have 2, 2. 3, 0. And 0, 2. Okay, they're just a bunch of ordered pairs. They're not making any sort of shape or anything. Then they ask you to name the domain and range. The domain, you just list all the x values. If they repeat, you don't write them twice. So we have 1, 2, 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, and 0. All I did was take those right here and put them in the domain. You put the domain in braces. Okay? The range, your y value is 4, 2, 0, 2. We have 2 2's. We don't need to write that twice. 0, 2, 4. And that's it. All right, we'll do a bunch more in class. Have a good day. Sorry for all the extra announcements in there.